I am fine, sir.
Okay. Okay, so now you face some problem regarding your topic. Okay,
Yes,
so simply
sir.
share your
Yes,
screen,
sir.
then I will try to give the solution.
Okay. Okay, sir. One minute, sir. Let me put on the headphones so that I can
Okay.
hear a little bit clear. Hello, sir. Can you see the screen?
Yes, yes.
Okay. I have done this uh, urban heat index. I have done.
Okay.
Okay. So I have taken all the that proportion of vegetation, emissivity, thermal band. I have added. Then normalize UHI. I have done. Yeah, then UFTVI also I have done. Sir, I want to ask this thing that in this, if I run this code, the chart which is generated, it gives very less value.
Okay. The chart.
So here chart it is giving zero value.
Okay, for the urban heat island.
Yes.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay. And the problem is that when I have so this filter rate is for 1 year. If I put here filter date 2014 and here the 2023, if I put and if I run again, okay, let me copy all this to everything. Copy, paste, and paste. Now, if I run that, it is showing error.
Okay.
Let you have given the assignment that see this error. User
Okay.
memory.
Okay. Okay. So this error for showing for that computation chart or for what that mainly number
This
error.
error.
Yeah. Okay. So what's
This
the value about that? Is it min or
uh,
max value or
it is a number, e
number?
number.
Mm.
So it is print this maximum minimum print it is print minimum mean LST and standard LST.
Okay, so they'll
This
simply go to this code mean LST and okay. So in this time for the mean LST, okay. So in this time, this problem showing that in this time this capacity is exist mainly it has also some limitation about that. So in this time, if you
okay.
want, you can simply increase the scale value. Suppose just calculate the mean LST. Suppose put the 100. Okay, we consider the 100 meter, and now also
Oh,
standard LST also put at the 100.
100.
So now try to check again.
Okay, now I will run again. Why it is taking so much time, sir?
Because in this time we considered the lot of images. So in this time,
Ah,
year of 2014 to 2000, for this it's a very big time. So this
yes,
time
sir.
all
Yes,
of
sir.
image computing. Okay, you can see now I actually work. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. So now I hope it will work.
So there will be a lot of image collections, no, sir, here.
Yes, yes. So that's why.
And chart will be also of 10 years, no, sir?
Yeah.
This chart
Yeah. So that's why it also take time also.
time. Yes. Okay, let's see what happens. And till this, okay. We will. I will ask next question after this, sir.
Okay.
So what is this invalid JSON?
Invalid JSON, it means that some networking issue. When you face this type of networking issue, then it show this type of
Okay.
problem for the invalid JSON or loose connection of network or this type of problem is happening.
Okay. I actually connected my mobile network via hotspot.
That's why.
Sir, till then, I will next question. Hello, sir.
Yes.
I will ask next question. So I have you have given that EVI time series chart.
Yeah, yeah.
That we have to do using Landsat only, no, sir?
Yeah, yeah, Landsat.
So I have see I have so I will zoom it so that you can see, sir. Are you able to see, sir?
Yeah, yeah, I can see.
So I have taken Landsat image, then I have done all the pre-processing here. Then I have added the layer of
Yeah.
Landsat. Then yes, then I have once we have done this, sir, EVI. So I know the formula for that.
Yes.
So I have added all the. So here the band is SR B5, SR B4, and SR B2 in the Landsat imaginary.
Yes, yes.
Yes. So I have added this. Now I have to add this EVI as a band in that list of band, na, sir?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So then again I have what I have done. I have added var EVI function image. I have written that this, and then I have written this image as EVI. Is
Yes.
it okay, no, sir?
Yeah, is it okay? Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Then again I have copied the code from that Landsat that Landsat 8. I have copied this scaling factor code.
Yes, yes, yes. Okay.
So I have copied that. Then I have multiplied with map add EVI, that which
Yes,
I
yes.
have given here. Then I have set print data set
Yeah.
and then print chart. Okay.
Yes.
So when I run, the problem is that it shows some error. I see.
Okay, it show the error EVI did not match any band. Okay. So in this time, did you connect with this your image? Suppose simply check your image variable name. Mainly your image variable name. I had
It
stored
is
the image. Yeah, yeah. So Landsat.
Landsat.
Yeah. So you have
Uh,
to connect with that Landsat.
okay,
Or
okay.
if you want, you can also make a collection. Suppose for the collection, this just adding this band with your collection variable name. Okay.
Okay.
Image
So
collection.
where I should add, sir?
Okay, so I can simply
Here.
go to the below, more below about that. Yeah, so in this time data set, yeah, yeah, just waiting here. So in this data
Ah,
set, yeah, data set you simply put
Landsat.
your, yeah, in
Landsat.
the, okay,
This Landsat.
yeah, but it also okay. You also take the new variable and create the new image collection, and this image collection you store it in the dataset variable. So it also okay. There is no problem. Okay. So now let me
Okay.
check. Okay, just a minute. So simply go to the below. Okay. So
Above.
yeah, above, yeah,
Uh-huh.
33 number line or this image collection.
339.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, go to the below. Yeah, that is just waiting here. Yeah. So in this time, we take a variable data set and call this image collection for Landsat 8. Okay. So then further filter bounds, filter date, and filter metadata. Okay. And then okay. And further you okay. So in this time, a scaling factor. Okay. So just copy the scaling factor, this function, and put in the top of the data set. Okay, actually the data set image collection it will be below for the applying the scale factor function. Okay, just copy and
Okay.
then paste it. So basically first of all you create the function, both of function you created. One function is create the band, another function is create for your scaling factor. Okay, then you just put the image collection and then add it. Okay, so it's more better about that. So you can simply
It
copy,
is
suppose you
open.
can from 43 line from 48. So all of those can simply copy from 43 to 48, all of line. Yeah, yeah,
Uh,
just copy
Copy.
and then just
Copy.
paste up of the data set, mainly your image collection which you created. Yeah, yeah, just put in here. Yeah, and also remove the 34 number line, it's not need, remove that. Yeah, okay, again it showed the some error. Okay, now it okay.
Uh,
Okay, after that in this time you can just simply use the same variable or you can take the new variable and call the data set. Okay, data set equal to data set. Simply copy this variable name data set and write here the data set.
okay.
Yeah. So now try again.
But in the class, you have given this data set above the function.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So now it show about that. Okay, so what about show about
Still,
that? You can simply check the print result. Suppose after print, what we can get? Simply click on the print. You can see the console tab. From the console, just open the image collection. From the console. Yeah, yeah. Just click on here. Click on the feature and click any one image. And further click on the band. And now check the band name.
constant.
Yeah, so just a minute. Okay, this is the problem. Okay, you can see in this time it show the constant. Okay, so your band name show as a constant, but this name will be show as a EVI. So for
Yes,
that,
yes, yes.
I think it shows some problem in here. So did you rename it when you create the band? Did you rename it? So simply go to the create band function.
I didn't. Here.
Yeah, you can just put here
Here
the
I
rename dot rename and put the name as a dot. So EVI. Just put here the EVI. Yeah. So now it create the EVI band, and this EVI band you can simply connect. So now run the code and then check what happened. Now I hope it will work.
yes, sir. Yes. Every time, sir, if we create a band, we should rename that the band.
Yes,
Na, sir?
yes, yes, yes. Otherwise, it not work. So, and if you don't rename it, then we have to use the same name. Suppose it show the constant, so then you have to use the same constant. Okay, but
Okay.
it
So
show.
what is?
Okay, so it show this type of chart. Why? Okay, so kindly open the chart code. Why do you make the chart code? It show that no data.
Chart.
Okay, simply open the chart code.
Uh, where is, here.
Okay. UI.chart image.series dataset. You simply select the okay. Okay, it also okay, no problem about that. And ROI, it's is it point or a polygon shape
I
file?
think so. It's a shape file.
Point.
Shape file. It's a shape file, sir. Point
Uh,
not. It's a polygon. It's a polygon.
Polygon. Okay, so then, so why it should look like that? Okay, you can simply increase the cloud cover level. Suppose put it at the 50%. You can simply cloud cover less than put it at the 50% and then check here. Not here. Cloud cover metadata filter metadata. Put it at the 50% and then try to check.
Here. Okay.
And also put the your data set, mainly your collection. Okay, put the collection and then check. Mainly your data set variable where you stored the image collection. Simply put here at the 50% cloud cover less than, then try to check what happened.
Here. Here. Sir.
Okay, cannot hear you properly. Yeah. So just put here the cloud cover less than 50. Yeah. And now try to run the code again.
No, sir. Still it is not showing.
Okay, so can you show me your boundary shape file? Okay, just add the layer of your
Uh,
boundary shape file.
sir. Okay, sir.
It was map.add layer, your ROI.
Okay. Uh,
Okay, and also focus the center of this boundary shape file. So map.center object ROI. Map.center object.
O is small, sir. Or send C is small.
C is lowercase. C is lowercase. Yeah. I think some problem on the shapefile or oh yeah, so it's showing. Yeah. Okay, so this is the area of interest.
Yes, sir. Can I
Okay, I have to share my screen. Can you see my screen now?
No, sir.
Okay, so
I can see it now, sir.
okay.
Sir, refresh the page once again because the you are not able to see my ROI.
Yes.
Still, it is not showing. Why, sir?
Okay, load it.
Loaded.
Okay, coming. So some network issue take some time.
Yeah.
So in this time we can get this type of chart. There is no data. We can get the Mars. Okay, Mars 2024. Okay, so this is our image composite, and further we try to calculate the EVI and also add the EVI. Then we are just make a function. Okay, so further return image add bands. This variable EVI it also okay. And enemy is also EVI it also okay. So 2.5. Okay, so okay, this is the equation about that.
Yes.
Further, we also add here that scaling factor about our image. Just put here these things, and further just put here the data set and apply this scale factor and also add this. Okay, so now all of image added this new band which you created as EVI. Suppose I simply open it and check the band from here. It show that EVI.
Yes.
Okay, we can get the EVI look like that. So if I just suppose I just remove that it not need, suppose I just try to without that. Now just try to check it. Hence, okay, I can get this type of result. Further, just call the data set, select EVI, RY study area, E reducer mean, system time start. Okay. Nothing. There is no data. Why? Okay, so just a minute. Suppose I just try to use the same dot map with add EVI. Fine. Okay. What is the value show for that in Explorer tab? It show the EVI constant, this value.
Hmm.
It's very so long value. Why basically it show that result for -1 to +1. Okay.
Okay.
So what the problem? It show the wrong value. You can see very high value. And
Yes.
one band constant, we can get this type of value. Okay, so let me open my previous code for EVI. EVI. Okay, so now it show the proper value. You can see. Okay,
Yes.
so let me use the same code. Suppose Okay, so it was Landsat 5. Okay, so in this time we are using at that Landsat Landsat 8.
Eight,
Okay,
eight, eight.
so for that we have to change it. Suppose blue band B1 will be B2, B2, B2.
Yes,
Okay, B2 is the blue,
yes,
and red band will be B4, and B4, and near infrared will be B5.
B5, B5.
So just I put at that B1. Sorry, it will be B2. So just put here the B2. It select that B2 image. So B2, and further it B4, red B4, and then input B5. Also put at the 5. Now let's.
Sir, but the bands are named SR underscore B2, B2.
Huh? Oh, SRB. Yeah. So
Uh,
we have to put at the SR also. SRB2, SRB4, SRB5. So now it's okay.
what was the problem, sir? I'm
Okay,
not
so this
getting.
problem, I think this problem, we have to use this type of equation. Okay, in this time you can see, you just put the bracket, and also you can see here, when you put this type of equation at the same, just you can simply not put any kind of space. Okay, so
Oh,
that's why in this time here you can see, when I just check the value, it show
uh,
very high value. You can see 12,000,
uh,
8,000, 80,000. So in this time I just try to change it. Suppose I just put here this same equation. Or you can see, just put the bracket and put this multiply sign, then put the bracket, just put the space, and then only
how
put
did you do? How did you do the shortcut key? Is there the shortcut key for that?
just like copy and paste, Control V,
Control. Okay,
Control
okay,
C, and Control V. So
okay,
now
okay.
I try to check the result. What happened? Because it showed a very high value for that. Okay, what's the problem? Undeclared variable. Yeah. Okay, so you have to put here that
B
B5, B5. Then I put here that B4, and I put here that
B2.
B2, B2. Now click around. Yeah.
Yes,
So now I hope we can get the better result.
yes, sir. It was because of the space.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, we can get the 0.7 to 5. So now it also our friends.
okay.
And this result also will be more good when I just add this scaling factor. Suppose I simply copy the scaling factor also.
Hmm.
Just copy, and then I also add this scaling factor with this image. So for that I simply create, suppose okay, so just I put here that map function, and then I add it. Suppose I just put here that dot map, and also connect with my scaling factor, then we'll also get that more better. Now so now it feels more better. 0.1 to 0.3.
Okay.
Basically now it show the result within our range, -1 to +1. Okay, so basically enhanced vegetation index or NDVI index, this value always show the result +1 to -1. This is the range about that. So now we
Uh,
can get this type of
how,
things here. You can see.
how did you do that, sir? Why did you do that
Okay, so for that,
function?
for simply copy this scaling factor, because this type of value when you multiply or add with that, then all of band mainly it reprojected the scale value. Okay, and it's only need for that surface reflectance. Okay, so basically when you want to work for the surface reflectance, suppose Landsat surface reflectance imagery, when you want to use, then this type of value we have to use to make the reprojected the pixel value. But when you are using the top of atmospheric, mainly TOA, this imagery, then you don't need. Suppose say I simply open the Landsat A. So here you can see for that surface reflectance, mainly SR. Okay, surface reflectance. Basically, in the surface reflectance, we will find this type of scale and offset. Okay, here you can see we find out that scale and offset. Okay, so basically this type of scale we need to multiply and add with offset, then it will be reprojected the scale value. So in this time you can see it multiply this scale and add with offset all of band. Okay, it means that all of band, when I put here the dot sign and put here the multiple sign, it means that it consider all of band. And further, when you want to work with the top of atmosphere, so then don't need this type of scaling factor, because it already doing this type of calibration or scaling factor already done. So here you can see there is no scale about that for the top of atmosphere. So that's why this is the region. When you want to make the any kind of indices, then try to use the top of atmosphere. Then you also get the more better result. Okay, but when you want to work for that, mainly land surface temperature or land use, land cover, this type of things, surface reflectance is more better.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So now it will be work. Okay. So main problem is that you have just put the this type of space after your equation, as well as this result you can got more better when you want to add that the scale factor. Okay. Because in this time you use the surface reflectance, and surface reflectance must need the scale factor for reprojected the pixel value.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you so much, sir. Sir, I wanted to ask that from the 16th batch, has anyone got the certificate yet?
Not yet.
Okay, sir. Okay. I think I will be the first one to get the certificate.
Yeah, no problem. You try. Actually, you can get the support for your assignment also, no problem. But you try properly and also learn properly. Okay, then
Yes,
you
sir.
can
Yes, sir.
use it for lifetime. No problem.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, sir. And this actually, I'm doing PhD, sir.
Yeah.
I'm doing PhD, and my PhD in is in flood.
Okay, which one?
Actually, geoinformatics. I'm doing
Yeah.
PhD in geoinformatics, but my topic is related to flood.
Flood. Okay.
My region of interest is Kolhapur, and I'm doing right now. I have started the PhD, and for that I have registered for your class, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Whatever help, sir, I require, please provide me, sir, because I have just started learning this, and yeah, I require a lot of help from you, sir.
Okay, no problem. No problem. No problem. When you quit any problem, then let me know. No problem.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, have a good day. Okay, have a good day. Okay.